to Carvajal on the overlap. Can he make the cross pay this time? Yes, he can. Benzema 1-0. And when it came, it was easy and simple as anything.
Real Madrid had to wait until the 85th minute to overcome a plucky Granada side.
Oh, it's there! It's in the back of the net!
Luka Modric's bullet strike gave the Whites their first win away from the Santiago Bernabeu since the 29th of November.
What a stunning strike from Luka Modric.
A goal that keeps Zidane's men alive in the title race.
We have to keep up with this mentality and desire that we showed today. The team's going to fight until the end. It never crosses our mind that it's all over, quite the opposite. We want to keep our options intact, and hopefully that will be the case.
Real Madrid returned to their ground where they played their best football since Zinedine Zidane's arrival to face Athletic Club in one of Spanish football's classic clashes. The Lions are on the back of a cagey 0-0 draw against Villarreal, where the worst news was the bans that both Iñaki Williams and San Jose picked up.
We know it's a complicated game, but the team's on the right track. We're working hard and working well. Now we'll have to see what happens with the ban for me and for Williams. They're cards that the referee could quite easily not have shown. Hopefully we can play, but if not, we've got a great squad, and I'm sure they'll have no trouble replacing us and putting up a good show at the Bernabeu.
The Whites will try to repeat last season's 5-0 win, but have a hole in defence with the injuries to Marcelo and Pepe and Danilo pending a late fitness test. Athletic, meanwhile, will look to prolong their 3-game unbeaten run. Besides, Valverde's side won their last away game, which was precisely in Madrid against Getafe. Oscar de Marcos returns to the squad after serving a 1-game ban. The Lions will test the Real Madrid side that is yet to suffer at the Santiago Bernabeu since Zinedine Zidane's appointment.